Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Something. Today I'm going to cook leek and potato soup. I have about 500 grams of leek, 500 grams of potato, 550 ml of vegetable stock, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, some spring onion for garnishing, butter, and I'll be using whipping cream as well. I'm going to start off with cutting the leek and the potato. To cut the leek, we're going to take only this the stem, but for the leaf, I'm not going to use it because it's a bit hard. Cut it into half like this. Because leek, they have a lot of sand and dirt, right? Get stuck into the stem. So I'm just going to cut it very thin slices, very small slices like this. Done for the leek, and now I'm going to wash it. And for this one, the balance here, I can use it for the vegetable soup or stir-fried leek. For all this potato, I have already washed and soaked in the water for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to cook it together with the skin. We're going to cut it into smaller pieces, and then after cutting, we're going to soak it in the water so it will not oxidize so much. So for the potato, I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. Easy to make soft. It's easy to cook and soft. And soak it in the water. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all of this. Heat the pan, and I'm going to put in just about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is getting hot, I'm going to put in all the leek. Just cook until the leek release a nice aroma. Now we're going to put in the potato. Give it a stir. I'm just going to put in 2 inches cube of butter. This is to give out a nice aroma. Give it a stir. Put all the pepper, salt, and I'm going to put in all the stock, the vegetable stock. When adding in the stock, just to make sure that the leek and the potato is submerged in the liquid, just like this. So I'm going to cover the lid and bring it to boil, and continue to boil until the leek and the potato is soft. From time to time, need to come back and check. So I'm going to set the time for about 30 minutes. This has been boiling for 28 minutes. 2 more minutes to go. So let's take a look. Wow! It's slightly dry. I'm going to add in about 1 more cup of the vegetable stock. Later on, when we want to blend it, right, it will be too dry. So just add in a little bit more, and I'm just continue to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Look at that. It looks so good. Okay, time's up. Next, we're going to blend the soup. If you have a hand blender, you can go ahead and use a hand blender to blend it right away. But if you need to use a food processor or the blender, the normal blender, you may need to let the soup to slightly cool down first, or else it's going to be very hot. So I'm going to use the hand blender just to go ahead and blend it direct to the pot. Alright, we need to blend it until it becomes very smooth. Look at that, it is so thick and so smooth. After we have blended the soup become very smooth already. I'm going to put it over the heat for just a bit, and now I'm going to add in whipping cream. I'm going to add in just about half a cup of whipping cream to give a nice creamy texture into the soup, and give it a stir. Now it's well mixed and it's over the heat. I'm going to switch off the heat. Now you can give it a taste. Oh, it looks so good. Lovely. Okay, this is best served hot. Let's eat. See, it's very thick, very creamy. Wow, this is so delicious. The soup is very thick, very creamy, and it's super smooth. And it has a very sweet taste from the leek, from the potato, and the vegetable broth that we put, and a little bit of hint of the pepper. Overall, leek and potato works well together. This is really good. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.